Namaskar, myself Suren Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. Today I am going to present weekly weather review and outlook during next 2 weeks. Last week we see the wet spell over the northwest India continuously 4 to 5 days causes heavy rain oblique snow over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and adjoining plains. With this thunderstorm, lightning and hailstorm also occurred at isolated places. Due to this wet spell, Northwest India don't experience any cold wave, cold day condition and as well as fog also. Now we go to for northeast monsoon. Active north monsoon is continuous last 2 days. We saw the extremely heavy fall also occur over Tamil Nadu and heavy rainfall adjoining areas. And next 2 weeks we saw the normal rainfall below normal rainfall over northwest India and above normal over southern peninsular India. Now we start presentation. Here in this slide we see the major significant synoptic feature past 1 week. Here we see the western disturbance was over the central Pakistan and neighborhood, which was persist continue 3 to 4 days, and one induced cyclonic circulation over West Rajasthan during 2-3 days and moved over Haryana on 6th January. And one north-south trough also there from North Punjab to Arabian Sea. Due to this meteorological features, Northwest India experienced continuously 4-5 days rainfall as we predict earlier. And in southern peninsula, especially due to continuously active easterly waves, we also experienced rainfall over southern peninsula. Especially Tamil Nadu, last 2 days continuously experienced extremely heavy fall. Here we see in this slide the cloud pattern from satellite 3 hourly as well as observed rainfall from GFS. Here we see the patches movement of easterly wave from here to there and as well as western due to western disturbance westerly waves. And this figure also shows the observed rainfall. It shows 2nd, 3rd, 4th rainfall over the northwest India and last 2 days extremely heavy fall over the Tamil Nadu. Here with the significant rainfall as I told Tamil Nadu experienced 6 or 7, 6 Kalavakkam 21 centimeter, Annai University 16 centimeter and Chennai 13 centimeter, which was very good rainfall in 1 day. And on similar on 7 June 21 centimeter of Vadakara, Vipur 18 centimeter. And with this is the active monsoon, northeast monsoon situation. And we talk about northwest India, active western disturbance. Due to active western disturbance, heavy rainfall recorded over Jammu Kashmir, rainfall oblique snow over Jammu Kashmir on 5th, 6th and HP on 6th. And with this heavy rainfall also occurred over East Rajasthan on 4th. With this wet spell, thunderstorm, lightning and hail also experienced over northwest India, especially Delhi also we experienced heavy hailstorm. Here, due to the wet spell, due to the continuously wet spell 4-5 days over northwest India, no cold wave, no cold day experience except on 1st January. Over cold to severe cold wave we observed over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, and Delhi experienced minimum temperature 1.1. And due to wet spell, it's now is abated. Here we see the performance of the northeast monsoon over the southern peninsula for period October to December 2020. Here we see the time series of percentage departure. It shows plus 10%, almost plus 10% above normal rainfall. And last 5 years, it's also good rainfall in last 5 years over the southern peninsula. This is the northwest average temperature December. This was for maximum temperature almost average temperature entire the month, normal temperature. Next. Here, major due to the cold, major cold spell or dense fog condition during December 2020. Here we see the cold wave condition. First half of December was warmer, but second half is, as we predict, is likely cooler. So mostly significant weather as cold wave, cold days and fog occurred in after 15 December. Here we see the some data as cold wave Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi 16 to 20. It shows all weather happened in second half of December. Here this is also shows the observed temperature pattern monthly average. Here in this figure we show the maximum temperature anomaly. It shows almost green. Departure anomaly around -1 to 3 degree, which shows the cold day condition almost the month, and same is the minimum temperature, or this is for the mean temperature anomaly. Now we came for today current synoptic features. Today's feature, we say that in western side one feeble WDV over western Afghanistan region, which may cause rainfall over Himalayan region, high ridges or Himalayan region today and tomorrow only, not so much effective. And other one, cyclone circulation over Tamil Nadu and either Arabian Sea, and one trough is easterly trough is also there over of Maharashtra and Karnataka coast, which is also cause rainfall over the Maharashtra and Konkan Goa. Here the warning we see that today we expect dense fog over northwest India during 24 hours, or we gave also warning in yellow color, only in morning hours dense fog possibility is there. Tomorrow also some parts, but it reduces, but cold day condition, not cold wave, but cold day condition will occur over Punjab, Rajasthan area, and due to that active easterly and trough over the Maharashtra and Karnataka coast, we may occur thunderstorm and lightning over the central India, especially Maharashtra region and southern peninsula. Today we also expect very heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu or rainfall level Kerala. Same next day 2 day 3 also likely heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu. But its intensity will pick up from 10th again with fresh easterly. On 10th we expected heavy to very heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu and Kerala heavy rainfall, or same on 11th. Here this is our IMD GFS global forecasting model for rainfall and 850 HPA winds, which shows also actively easterly flows, which also causes rainfall up to Maharashtra and southern peninsula, or light rainfall 7 and 8 high reaches of Himalayan region. Now we came to outlook model forecast guidelines for the rainfall during next 2 weeks. Here we see the anomaly, it shows high anomaly, which shows that above rainfall over the southern peninsula or adjoining central India, week 1, and similar week 2, but is compared than less week 1, but its activity will continue to over southern peninsula week 2 also. But in week 1 in northwest India we see the week 1 rainfall activity is subdued because no active disturbance, western disturbance, same as well as for week 2 also, no likely to rainfall over the northwest India. Now we came for minimum temperature. Here we see the departure is minus over the northwest India, anomaly in northwest India, which causes some cold condition will come, not so much, but is cold. But compared then southern peninsula is shows red patches is that the minimum temperature is more than normal, above normal. Same here is in second week the normal temperature, below normal temperature expand into the central India, East India, West India as well as. But some region, Western Himalayan region or Northeast and some Karnataka region will experience positive anomaly. Here the same we see the maximum temperature also. The anomaly is here is so negative, which leads to cold day condition. Maybe over that west central, some parts of northwest India and adjoining central India. Week 1 and week 2, some reverse condition will happen. In central India we experience it will shows negative anomaly. But in northwest India it shows positive anomaly. Temperature may rise over the northwest India. And this is the cyclogenesis for next 2 weeks. As we see, no possibility of cyclogenesis next 2 weeks. It's good for fishermen. Now we came for forecast for week 1. We already saw the above normal rainfall very likely over central India and below normal over the western Himalayan region, because no active western disturbance will come. Or due to the fresh easterly wave may cause another rainfall over Tamil Nadu and adjoining sub area. And cold wave condition unlikely over northwest India and central India till 11th due to continuously western disturbance is also coming, which affect to the higher reaches or Himalaya. And due to high humidity at lower level over northeast India or some other favorable parameter, dense to very dense fog, the isolated pocket over northwest India during next 2 days in morning hours. And this is the forecast summary week 2. Due to the absence of any active western disturbance, below normal rain, snow likely over western Himalaya. Almost as in first week situation as well as prevail in second week also. Normal to abnormal rainfall likely over southern peninsula, or there would be slight fall in minimum temperature as compared to the week 1. So the minimum temperature would be below normal 2 to 4 degree over the most part of the country. And cold wave conditions are likely to prevail at isolated places over northwest India. For latest information about weather, you can visit our website, IMD website, mausam.imd.gov.in, and follow us on our Facebook, Twitter and Instagram and YouTube also. Or we have also blog also, you can visit there also. And for other than we have Android app and as well as OS app, as Mausam app, Damini app, Meghdoot app for specific agromet and lighting alert for public user. Thank you.